Try Googling the Dunning-Kruger president. New York Magazine, Salon, and Politico have recently published articles on that theme. They're referring to Donald Trump and to the Dunning Kruger effect, a psychological principle that is becoming a lot better known than it once was. Named for Cornell psychologist David Dunning and his then grad student Justin Kruger, this is the observation that people who are ignorant or unskilled in a given domain tend to believe that they are much more competent than they are. Thus, bad drivers believe they're good drivers, and humorless people think they know what's funny. And people who have never held public office think they'd make a terrific president. How hard can it be?